Hey, what's up? Welcome to my video. In this video, I want to share the start of my journey. I've been having the idea of selling hair for a really long time. I'm going to share with you and show you the startup of my entire business, just to kind of motivate and inspire other people out there. So a little background of me. If you don't already know, I started out braiding I started out braiding people's hair, and then I switched over to just making the braided wigs and selling those, as opposed to having clients come to me and sitting in my chair. Let me get into my package. So this package is basically my hair vendor. I've been doing a lot of research, and I'm really excited about this, okay? Because when I tell you this is a mind goal, if you don't purchase from me, sis, you're missing out, okay? Because this it's the real deal. It's the real deal, holy fit. I do my research thoroughly, okay? I made a video previously about finding a vendor and how that process went, which wasn't good. So, you know, nothing ever happened for me with that vendor. You can go visit my channel to check that video out. But today is Sunday. Saturday I received this, and I waited patiently. I was so anxious because I just wanted to rip this open and just get the ball rolling. But I want to record the process. So I waited because I wasn't able to make this video yesterday. So I waited, and now I am opening. So what this is basically just a sample from the actual vendor. I already have my proof that this vendor is legit. This ain't your average Chinese AliExpress BS, okay? It's legit. And that's why I'm really excited, because if you are like me and you like your hair to be, you know, nice and unmatted up under here and the whole nine yard, then you'll be excited. You'll be just as excited as I am. So it came in this package, and basically it's just my vendor's information and a sample of the hair. So it's just, you know, this little piece right here. I thought it would have been a little bit more, but this is the hair, and it looks like natural wavy. The texture, there's only 3 texture: curly, natural wavy, and straight. That's it. So when you visit my website, if you visit my website, that's what you're gonna see. And I'll insert photos of what this hair looks like, you know, on a wig and an actual person. I'll show you guys, you know, so you can see. The hair is really nice. This hair is really nice. This morning, I want to share my testimony. I woke up, well, first of all, I went to bed with the thought of, you know, pushing my business and promoting my business, and just thinking of ways that I can promote my business. And I woke up this morning, and I immediately created a post. I created a flyer. I'll show you here. I created a flyer with my sale, my bundle sale, my bundle deals, and I uploaded it to Facebook to continue to promote. And I shared that I shared that post in a lot of Facebook group. After sharing that, I immediately got I think a few people reached out to me wanting to help. And when I tell you, I was overwhelmed, because right now, as I speak, my physical website, because I purchased my domain name, but I wasn't using it. because I'm really starting this business with $0. So I purchased the domain name a while back, which is spotlightqueen.com. I purchased that, but it wasn't connected to my actual website because I'm not ready to start making those monthly payments. So my website, which is completely free, it's through Square, and it's completely free if you want to use the same thing. It's free to for people to purchase on your website. The only thing you pay is when you make a sale, you have to pay a percentage to Square, which is not much really. So I still have it because it's needed to get the other website rolling. But I have that free website, which is in the description. If you want to support, you can tap that link in the description and purchase some bomb bundles, okay? And you can also tap the link in the description. You can also visit my website, which is in the link, which is in the description section below, for you to kind of see how I set it up. I made everything from all the design and everything. I made it through PixArt. I used, a lot of people use Canva, but Canva I don't know how to really, I don't like Canva. I just don't like it. It just doesn't work for me. But if Canva works for you, then you can use Canva. PixArt, I feel like it gives you more option to create PNG where the background is transparent and all that other stuff. You can add not as much as you want, because when you overdo it, that's when they hit you with the monthly subscription. So I add as much as I can to create whatever it is that I need via PixArt. I do have, my business is registered. I do have a registered business from earlier this year, which is an LLC. I have my EIN number, my DUNS number, the whole shebang. So your girl is ready to really get in there. On my website, I still have up my braided wigs, because I really want to be versatile. My goal is to be versatile and to be affordable to people that want to have good hair, but not spend $500 and $600 on that good hair that a lot of people are promoting. So back to my story, right? I created that post, and I'm really saying that to say, if you have a business and you want to push your business, then you have to be willing to put yourself out there and make it happen. You can't just start something and just hope for things to just start falling together. But I was really I created the post in hopes of gaining a sale, but what I really gained is worth so much more than just a sale. So yeah, put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and invest in you. Like I made a purchase, because I feel like I know how to brand myself, but I still wanted to make sure that I wasn't missing anything. So a couple months ago, I made an investment into this online course to kind of educate me a little bit more on branding my business so that I can scale, and I can understand what I'm doing. I can know for a fact that what I'm doing is right, So I invested, into that course. And that's not the only thing that I do. I invest in knowledge. I make sure that I'm always constantly learning. Listen, don't mind, my wig is not all the way down, so don't mind that, okay? It's not glued on. I just did some baby hair, just to hold it down. This wig is it's not on. I mean, it's not falling off, but I don't have it down. I don't have it glued down all the way. And there's no elastic band attached to this thing. I'm just using the straps that it came with. So yeah, don't mind my wig. You know, if you want one of these wigs, you just go to the website. Put yourself out there, invest in you if starting a business is what you want to do, and do what you love. Like, I love everything about hair. I love styling my hair. I love seeing the outcome of how good it looks when I'm done and when I put it on. Like, I came a long way with this. Look at this. I really like it, you know. But put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to network, and you know, things will work out. Things will work out. Okay, so here is my free website, ChiquitaBraids.square.site, I think.com. It'll be in the description section below this video. So as you can see, I'm having my raw bundles sale. Each bundle is $60, and everything you see I created via PixArt. I still need to add, but I'm not going to be adding to this site anymore, because I have a new site that is being worked on at the moment. So this is the website that the young lady is working on for me. Oh my gosh, I'm like so amazed compared to the other one. Like, this looked so much more clean and professional. It's not done. She's still, you know, working on things, so you may see things that just sound awkward. Like lorem. What is lorem ipsum? I don't know what that is. But oh my god, wow. Like, and look, I wanted to add the pink, and the pink is right there. I don't know about the white, but I guess it's too much gold. And let's see, I went to so this is my first time like looking at the website. So let's go to about me, about us, whatever it is. And look at this. Look at this. Look at my model. Look at her. All right, if you found this video helpful, if this video was helpful to you, please do me the biggest favor and tap that thumbs up button below this video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. It's right there. Right down there. Just tap it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.